After the brutal Delhi gang rape in Delhi and the involvement of a minor, attention has turned to juvenile homes, which are meant to be reform homes where children in conflict with the law are sent to reform. But the reality on the ground is very far from the truth. These juvenile homes can tend to be absolutely hellish places for most of the children in them.
बहुत मतलब ऐसे उनके साथ गलत काम करते हैं कि उनके साथ यौन शोषण, गार्ड वगैरह है, उनको पैसे देते थे, वो नशा ला के देता था बाहर से कि अगर बीड़ी पीनी है, सिगरेट पीनी है तो
ये नशा बच्चों के लिए लाते थे।
वहाँ का जो गार्ड था, जो नाइट में गार्ड रहता है, उसने बोला था कि ना अगर तेरे को बाहर निकला तो मेरे साथ सिर को सोना पड़ेगा। मेरा
तो आपने किया नहीं, बट और बच्चे हैं जो मजबूर हैं।
और बच्चे भी उनके साथ, जैसे और भी बच्चे हैं जिनके माँ बाप बिल्कुल नहीं, उनको मतलब समझ नहीं है, इतनी छोटे छोटे बच्चे रहते हैं, उनके साथ तो कर ही देते हैं। क्योंकि रात में उनको बोलते हैं कि ना अगर तेरे को खाना खाना है, अगर मेरे साथ खाना खाना है, अगर तेरे को खाना खाना है तो मेरे साथ ऐसे करना पड़ेगा।
Sharan was just 11 when he was put in an observation home in the capital for pickpocketing. More than 2 years after his 10-day stay at the home, the boy is still traumatized. The same guards and officials, he says, still work there.
जो बैठे रहते हैं पदाधिकारी, उनको कितनी बार बोला है, लेकिन वो लोग हमारी बात को समझते नहीं, क्योंकि वो लोग ये सोचते हैं कि अगर ये बच्चा है, अगर ये छोटा है, इनकी ये लोग क्या करेंगे, ये तो कुछ कर नहीं पाएंगे, इनके एक बात सुनेंगे, क्या पता झूठ बोल रहे हो सच बोल रहे हो।
Akshay has been in and out of jail and an observation home 3 times. The first when he was 14, arrested for shoplifting. He was packed off to Tihar after police refused to believe that he was a minor. 2 months later, after a bone ossification test proved he was underage, he was let out. When he was caught for pickpocketing later, Akshay was sent to an observation home and says he preferred jail.
जेल में एक बार आग लगा दी थी बच्चों ने, ये केजी कैंप में, सेवाकुटी कैंप।
क्यों?
वो जज छोड़ नहीं रही थी ना बच्चों को, जल्दी नहीं छोड़ती थी। 3-3, 10-10, 4-4, 5-5 महीने रहते थे लड़के। मेरे को 1 साल बाद के बाद सुनवाई हुई है मेरी। हाथों से ही मारते हैं क्योंकि अलाउड नहीं है वहाँ डंडे वंडे से मारने की।
Every year, more than 32,000 children are sent to observation homes, homes where they are supposed to learn right from wrong. But very often, these children end up being traumatized.
The majority of the country does not have operational JJBs, SJPUs and child welfare committees, and even where the homes are there, the homes are not being monitored properly.
Older boys do all kind of activities with the new ones, and this is on the pretext of the local authorities, the home authorities, who cannot touch children by themselves because of the law, but they use the older children to grill the new ones.
We take rounds so frequently, and there are a number of institutional checks and balances. I know that in homes we do not rule it out completely, but any case of sodomy, because this is only for boys, has of yet not been reported.
While children in conflict with the law are kept in juvenile homes, even shelter homes where rescued children are kept have had complaints. Records made available under the Right to Information Act reveal that between 2006 and 2010, 1,800 children ran away from these homes, with only 64 of them traced. In New Delhi, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.